Bob, I have a doubt from so many days.
What is the doubt?
Bob, why can't we live in water?
Friend, we cannot breathe in water. That's why we cannot live in water.
Why can't we breathe in water?
Joe, we don't have any organs to breathe in water.
Oh, okay. Bob, then is there any organism which can live in both water and land?
Yes, friend, the frog can live both in water and land. Such organisms are called amphibians.
Great. Bob, will you please explain me some interesting things about frog?
Sure, Joe. There are mainly 3 stages in the life history of frog. The first stage is egg. Frog lays large number of eggs in water. The eggs float on water and they are surrounded by jelly-like substance. The eggs develop in water and in about 10 to 15 days. Larva comes out of egg. Now the second stage is larva. The newly formed larva has a large head, small trunk and short tail. This larva attaches itself to weeds with the help of sucker on the ventral side. After a week, the newly formed larva develops into a tadpole larva. The interesting thing here is the tadpole larva looks like a small fish. It develops gills for respiration. The tail is long and it helps in swimming. The tadpole larva is herbivorous. It means it only takes plant parts as food. Now this tadpole larva undergoes many changes, which is also called as metamorphosis, and develop into adult frog. During the metamorphosis, first legs will appear, then gills will disappear, and finally eyes will develop. This small frog leaves water and moves to the land, and finally develops into an adult frog.
Amazing, Bob!